So I immediately met this young couple that just bought a new house. And the first morning in there, the wife was talking to the husband of how the elderly neighbor was hanging dirty laundry on her rack. It's like, that's such a shame that nobody taught her how to do the wash. We need to get her better laundry detergent. And this continued on for a few months. And one morning the wife came out and saw the neighbor hanging the laundry. It's like, oh my God, finally somebody taught her how to clean the laundry. And the husband's like, I got up early and cleaned the windows. So in life, it's not about passing judgment. It's about cleaning your lenses to get a different perspective on life. Often what happens is we convince ourselves of things that we can't do versus saying we can't afford it versus saying, how can I afford that? In business and in life, 3 things that I've learned that make you successful is learning how to manage people, cash flow, and your personal time. Today, here at my happy place, we're working on peace, quiet, and freedom. What are you doing for yourself?